We call it Basic Urodynamics, and we make it a very practical workshop. The idea is that anyone who's just beginning in urodynamics, who perhaps has been thrown in front of a machine or told they're doing a clinic, would have the chance to come somewhere and get a really quick introduction to what urodynamics is about.
We are able to show ICS and standardization, guide you through the process of doing a urodynamic test, understanding the indications, running the test, troubleshooting, setting up the machine, and interpretation of the traces.
These 3 hours will introduce someone to the background to urodynamics, the basic principles, and then some of the things of operating the equipment, some of the things of troubleshooting and interpreting the readings that you get.
This topic is particularly important because, as we know in functional urology, urodynamics is a test where we can find out all the objective measurements we're looking for. This will help us guide the treatment decision options, the prognostic decision options, and doing a good test and a standardized test guarantees that our patient is getting the best care we can.
What we've seen around the world, and there's data to back this up, is that the quality of urodynamic testing is very suspect in some places. So in our courses, what we're hoping to do is to help people to see where to go to find guidelines for good quality and have access to the basic elements of urodynamic testing so that they can start to improve practice and get good quality measurements done for patients. And the outcome of that, you see, will be the right measurements, the right diagnostics, and the right operation and treatment for patients. If you start with the wrong diagnostics or suspect diagnostics, you're potentially putting patients through things that they shouldn't have or don't need. And that's really a serious issue. So this little input, if you like, into a niche field actually has huge ramifications for the individual patients that you're trying to reach.
A lot of people are involved in pelvic floor disorders, and urodynamics is going to be a very helpful test for all of these people involved in care.
We've got a nurse, we have a surgeon, a clinical scientist, an engineer, all involved in the faculty so that we can make sure the whole perspective of continence care, from the device to the diagnostic to the treatment, is covered by the team who are there. And that's a microcosm really of what ICS stands for as well.
I believe ICS 2025 is going to be a great opportunity for networking with a lot of people. It has a very interesting venue which we haven't had in this kind of meeting in a long time, so it also has a very appealing venue for this time. And ICS has been growing each year even more, so this becomes probably the most important meeting we have for people focusing on pelvic floor disorders.
You can be inspired by someone who brings a different perspective or brings a different professional angle to what you do, but it all builds up to the picture of better continence care and better results for people.
For this particular course, go to the ICS website and you can register there, and we will be happy to see you there.